How to find Facebook link on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find Facebook link on Android phone. First open Facebook and now just click these three lines here and then click on your account and now just scroll down. Here we'll find these 3 points, click on it and after that just scroll down and here we'll find your profile link. If that doesn't fix your problem, then just if you want to find uh, another account link, just let's select this account like this one here, and that's it. Now just click these 3 points and then here we'll find link, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.